Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how to fix currency conversion problem in Shopify. So let's get started. First of all, open Shopify dashboard after logging in. And now from the left menu bar, click on the online store button. After clicking the online store button, click on the themes button. And now click on the actions button. A drop down menu will appear. Now click on edit code option. So after that, the code editor will open. Now in the search bar, search sections. Under sections, search for header.liquid. You have to search the sections in the left bar that has all the options. And under the section, search for header.liquid. After that, on your keyboard, click Ctrl and F key. After clicking Ctrl plus F for accounts, and just before starting the accounts, make space and paste the code. And now click on the Save button. After that, search assets. Under the assets heading, you have to search for theme.js. And after that, paste the code and then click on the Save button. So open website and you see the currency converter next to accounts. After pasting the code given, you have fixed the currency conversion problem. Make sure to save it. That's how you will fix currency conversion problem in Shopify. That's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.